Now, John, this cylinder head is I was telling the guys that this is a proprietary head that you have done through Brodex that you sell.
Yes.
Now, this is kind of like a prototype model, we're going to call it right now. And that's what Darin is going to develop some ports for this. Correct? Okay. So thank you. I appreciate you allowing us to be here and to film this history. Darin, thank you. I hope you brought a couple grinders with you.
Oh, yeah.
There it is, boys.
I brought all my tools.
Let's see what they look like. They look worn out to me.
These are dog toes. This one's 22 years old. This one's 15 years old. They get used all day, every day. You just replace the bearings and coming out the bodies, keep going.
Nice. That's it.
This one is when you absolutely positively have to move the most metal possible as soon as you can. Yeah, that's what I use. You take a quarter of an inch out with that.
No boys allowed with that. Men only, man.
Basically, we get to walk through how I develop a board for
Okay.
cylinder head.
I mean, there must be some technique that you use, I suspect, right?
Yep.
For all cylinder heads, there's like a protocol or a standard of
Just kind of a step-by-step method.
perfect. And that's what we're going to learn, guys.